Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by parking the 2015 Nissan Rogue on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Open the glove box fully and locate the two side stops that limit its travel. Press both inward simultaneously so the glove box drops down past its stops. On the right side, find the glove box dampener and disconnect it by sliding the small plastic pin out toward the center console. This gives full access to the cabin air filter panel behind the glove box. With the glove box lowered, locate the rectangular cabin air filter cover behind it and press the two tabs inward to release the cover, then pull the cover straight out. Reach in and grasp the old cabin air filter, pull it straight out along its track, and note the airflow arrow orientation printed on the filter frame so you install the new one the same way. Inspect the removed filter for leaves, heavy dust, or pollen buildup. If it is dark or clogged, replacement is necessary to restore airflow and HVAC efficiency. Take the replacement cabin air filter and insert it into the slot with the printed airflow arrow pointing down toward the blower motor. Ensure the pleats face the correct direction and the filter sits flush. Push the filter cover back into place until both tabs engage with an audible click, then reconnect the glove box dampener by sliding the plastic pin back into position and lift the glove box back over its stops. Start the car. Run the HVAC on blower setting 1 and cycle heat, and a slash.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.